Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. A well-organized home begins with smart storage solution and shoe racks are essential part of that. Sleek shoe rack designs not only help keep your footwear organized, but also add a touch of modern style to your entryway or closet from minimalist metal locks to built-in wood shelves. These are numerous options to fit your space and decor. Maximize your storage by choosing designs with multiple tiers or hidden compartments. Perfect keeping for your home clutter-free. Whether you are working with a smaller space or looking for a statement piece, a chic shoe rack can enhance both the functionality and aesthetic of your home. You can also incorporate multifunctional design that combines storage with seating or display shelves, and the right shoe rack for your entryway can become both practical and stylish. Thanks for watching. Must follow, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.